Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Telegram Premium features. To use Telegram Premium features, you first need to subscribe via settings, Telegram Premium. Now, once active, most features are integrated directly into the interface. Now, to subscribe for Premium, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your setting option, then tap on this Telegram Premium option. Then once you select your plan, go ahead and tap on this subscribe, and you will be redirected to this payment method option. And once you have paid for your Premium, you will be subscribed and you will be eligible for using these Premium features. Now, the Premium features would be increased limit. Your saved files will be increased from 2 GB to 4 GB, and voice to text conversion will be added. Then real-time chat translation will also be added to your account, and exclusive visual and reactions and premium stickers, infinite reactions, and animated profile pictures will also be available to you. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.